That image right there is definitely something you didn't want to see. That is Hunter Lawrence being carted off out of his heat after crashing. And if you're a Honda fan, a Lawrence fan, or just a racing fan in general, you never want to see anybody get injured, especially in a heat race or at any time. But especially with what's going on with them after last week, Jet taking the ACL injury. Well, there it is. Hunter Lawrence just never really gets squared up from that jump, jumps off to the side, hits a tough block, and then face plants into the face of the next or the start finish jump. And he did get up and walk on his own power. He did look a little shaky, so I'm just gonna say, knock on wood. Hopefully, it's not something serious, super serious. He did miss technically the LCQ and the night show, and hopefully that is just a precautionary thing. You can see him here; he's just laying down. I'm going to say I hope this is just like he got his bell rung. Hopefully it's at worst a concussion. I know that's not a great thing, but if that's the worst thing he has to deal with out of this, that would be good. I mean, at best, it's just they kept him out of the night to be safe, and he was winded. I don't know, but hopefully that is something that's not bad. Hopefully he's not injured. Hopefully he's not a collarbone or a shoulder or something, torn or broken. But I don't know. You guys tell me. What did you think of the racing in Tampa? What did you think of the winners? Did you like it? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.